Good evening and welcome to another edition of Scott's Hockey, the JV edition. Today is Tuesday, January 21st. Scott's with another matchup against South St. Paul. This will be the third time that we've played South St. Paul. Our usual cameraman, Dion, has been hit with the plague, so he's out today, but Roxy's here to run the show. So, this is like I said, this is the third time up. Both teams have won one of the matchups thus far. The Packers taking the first scrimmage. I think that was an unofficial scrimmage, probably a replacement for a Bloomington Kennedy game, with a last-minute goal. I think it was scored in maybe the last 15 seconds or so. And the Scots taking the rematch at the South St. Paul tournament, actually. And we're just about to get underway here. And it looks like Brendan McMahon on the face-off, and we win it. Pops all the way down into the Scott zone. South St. Paul with a quick shot and a rebound that was just leaking across right in front of the crease. Dangerous. And that's cleared to the half wall by Felix Show. Show pins his man against the boards, and puck rimmed out to the corner. And we've got a cameraman change. We got Theo as operating, one of our team managers. Puck is right behind the net. South St. Paul walks it back. And tied up at the half wall there. That's Alex Kishel along with Brendan McMahon tying things up. Puck still sitting there. Not a lot happening. Just pinned against the half wall. Three South St. Paul players converge, and now it's finally cleared out, centered, and knocked away by Henry. And it's Isaac Miller battling to try to clear the zone. Scott's unable to clear the zone thus far, and still not able to do so. Pass intercepted, and held at the blue line. Isaac battling to try to clear it out. No dice yet, and Isaac finally gets it out, and we will get a change. So a lengthy opening shift for South St. Paul in the zone. Pass picked off by Jamison Nonemacher. He gets it across to his line mate, Cale Rickson. And Nonemacher with a check. And that's Jacob Ozega coming across to help. South St. Paul clears it. We're offside. Jacob needs to tag up. And South St. Paul goes cross ice. Picked up by Will Chatterjee. He avoids a couple of skaters. Cross ice to Jacob Ozega. He gets into the zone. Jamison just barely stays onside. Cale chasing a deflected shot, and nice centering pass from Jacob to Cale. And a little backhanded attempt from close range is saved by the Packers. So face-off coming on the near side in the Packers zone. Pozega on the draw, won by South St. Paul. And they send it along the side wall. Chatterjee steps forward to try to hold the zone, but South St. Paul comes flying through and gets it out. Henrik sends it forward to Cale, who dumps it into the zone, and we will change. Evan coming on, and cross-ice pass from South St. Paul, broken up by Henrik, and flipped against the plexiglass. Little past Soren. Penalty box door comes open. Don't want that happening. And Soren picks up an exit pass. Gets around one man, heads down to the corner. He's going to have to absorb a check there. And Henrik gets it ahead. He stepped up into the play. Centering pass there to Evan. Evan drops it, and a little off target. Vroon going to try the wrister. Does not get through the South St. Paul defenseman. Now Soren picks off another exit pass and does the same thing. Heads back down to the corner, but gets knocked down. And Evan with some pressure, but South St. Paul going to skate out now and change. South St. Paul enters the zone. They come all the way around behind our net, poked away by Henrik, and puck rim back along the end wall. Little battle at the half wall. South St. Paul comes out with it. And big hit there delivered by Henry. He's getting some help there from Henrik. And puck over to Soren at the half wall. He's trying to get around a couple players. I think he avoided a big check from a big guy. And that's Felix now defending. He ties up his man. Henrik's still out there helping out. And now the loose puck is picked up by Henry. And South St. Paul picks it up in their zone and sends it down into our zone. South St. Paul at the red line eludes one skater and sends it in from between the blue line and the circle on the left side. And that's gloved pretty easily. And good exit pass there onto Julian's stick. Julian with a shot from the slot, high slot, blocked. And we look to drop it, but South St. Paul picks it off, clears the zone. Varun trying to get it back into the zone. And a little battle there. Kanan flips it ahead. Julian in pursuit. And now Chatterjee back to collect it, changes direction again, and sends it to his line mate. That's Varun who gets it out of the zone. Julian picks it up, and Julian looking to center to Isaac, who is crashing the net, but he gets tied up. And South St. Paul will clear. Henry looking to keep it in. Fans on it initially, picked up by Felix and ahead into the zone. South St. Paul forced to cover, and we'll have a face-off coming. To come up with the face-off, Felix with a quick shot from the point. And now that's South St. Paul coming up with that. Brennan across, and he wins it back, and Kale ends up with it on his stick. Kale going behind the net, looking to create. Dispossessed, and now South St. Paul surveys the scene and fires it across ice into our zone. Henry sends it ahead quickly, though, to Kale, who gets it down back behind the net, and Alex Kishel in pursuit. Posega looks to finish his check, and does. South St. Paul dumps it into the Scots zone. Felix holds off his first man. Another guy coming now. And Alex is going to just poke it out of the zone. And Jacob likes to drop it back into the Scots zone. Picked up by Henry, who gets it ahead. South St. Paul picks it off, though. Puck in our zone and sent down along the end wall. Puck comes just about all the way out. Picked up by Jacob. He goes cross ice, but his pass is picked off. South St. Paul throws it behind the net. Now Jameson looking to pick it up. And he eventually clears the zone. So St. Paul gets it back down into our zone. Felix picks it up in the corner. He's trying to hold off his man. Jacob over to assist. And puck still tied up there. Now South St. Paul emerges with it. And they're at the point, walking around, centering pass. That goes wide. And Jameson will gather it in the corner and look to skate out. Flips it ahead, and we're going to get icing. Kale couldn't quite get his stick to that one. So Henrik out to take the draw. And puck is down behind the net. Centering pass. And that's dealt with. And now the puck is out. Soren gets it ahead. Not quite able to clear the zone, but Chatterjee picks up the loose puck. And he sends it down to the corner. Now that's Evan battling for it in the opposite corner. South St. Paul still trying to clear. Evan still got his stick on it. Henrik is down there as well. And South St. Paul comes up with it in the corner, tries to take it around their own net to the half wall. And clearance gets out of the zone, but Henrik picks it up, trying to skate through a couple defenders as we're in the middle of a change now. South St. Paul skating through neutral ice. They dump it down into the corner. Picked up by Chatterjee. He gets it ahead. Will Martin in pursuit. And clearance attempt from Henrik. That one goes into a South St. Paul player. And now Chatterjee on the loose puck in the corner. And his clearance attempt is deflected way up high. Will picks it up and we clear the zone. Varun sends it back to the half wall. South St. Paul with a lot of zone time so far in this first period. And now that's Julian clearing the zone. South St. Paul sends it right back down, though. And puck dies back near the end wall. Varun picks up the loose puck, gets it ahead to Will. Will's clearance attempt is deflected and picked up by Keenan at the blue line. And good pass ahead to Julian. Julian stood up at the blue line, though, trying to win it back. South St. Paul comes up with it. And quick shot blocked. That one goes off of Varun's shin pad, I believe. Now Julian in pursuit. And puck is loose just below us. And Henry gets it ahead to Alex. Alex gets it to Julian. South St. Paul clears their zone. Send it through a net. Billy sticks that one aside. No problem there. Felix ties up his man in the corner. And he goes cross ice with it. Isaac looking to clear and does. And now pass is deflected up into the South St. Paul zone by Brennan. Cleared out. Loose puck picked up by Felix. Felix jumps up into the play, gets tied up though. And we're going to have to bring it back and restart the attack. Henry drops for Brennan. Goes right back to Henry. He drops for Isaac, who dumps it back into the zone. And South St. Paul just barely clears it out again. Henry. And Henry's pass, he fans on it. And South St. Paul pokes it down into the corner where Brennan gathers it. Gets it out to the half wall. That's Alex. Alex trying to push it ahead, but stood up by South St. Paul. Now Rister comes in, that one wide of the net. Henry battling along with Isaac, who takes a cross check. And South St. Paul offside, so they'll need to tag up. Picked up by Felix. Good stretch pass. Glove down by Jamison. Jamison blows a tire, though, at the half wall. And Jacob comes across, tries to separate his man from the puck, and Varun picks up the loose puck, circulates it back down. We got a couple players coming down now. That's Jacob. He gets it to Kale. Kale trying to center, but a couple players come over from South St. Paul to prevent him. Kale with it again now. Still tied up. Kale working hard to try to get that puck back out front. Varun with a quick wrister from almost the half wall. And South St. Paul forced to freeze it. Jacob Pozega out to the dot to take this face-off. He's got Jamison Onamacher to his left, Cale Rickson to his right. South St. Paul comes out with it, goes behind their own net, and sends it out. Cale not quite able to hold. He drops for Varun. who goes D to D to Chatterjee, and Chatterjee's pass is blocked. South St. Paul now gains the zone, drops it, and shot is blocked by Chatterjee, went off his shin pads. Kale picks up the loose puck, skates through neutral ice, and poked away by South St. Paul. Puck in the corner. Good anticipation from Jamison, breaks up the pass, but South St. Paul does end up with the loose puck. They flip it ahead. I think it went off of a South St. Paul Packer player sitting on the bench and popped back into play. So refs will whistle it dead and bring it down to the far side in the South St. Paul zone for a faceoff. Henrik will come out to take this. He's got Soren to his right and Evan Stokes to his left. Henrik wins that one. His shot attempt is blocked, and now it's in the corner. Stokes with it. He changes direction, tied up by a couple guys. Henrik flips it ahead, but now he's going to pick it up. And Henrik looking to wrap. It gets it to Soren on his backhand, and Soren brings it forward, but he crashes into, I think, Evan or Henrik. Henrik's slow to get up. He is up now, though. Looked like South St. Paul was offside, but refs didn't see it. And it's right behind the net. Now poked free to the corner. Henrik pressuring. And that's Felix getting physical over there, along with Henrik. And South St. Paul player just kind of sitting on the puck at this point. And we finally poke it free. Nice work there. Evan sends it across to Soren. It's in his skates, comes off the sidewall. Soren likes to dump and change. And South St. Paul picks it up behind their own net. They go cross ice. And Will Martin in pursuit pokes it away, teaming up with Henry. And Henry goes down. South St. Paul still with the puck. They drop it to the blue line. Slapper comes in that one well wide. Will Martin picks it up. Eludes a back-checking South St. Paul player and sends it across to Keenan. Keenan working to get it into the zone. And now South St. Paul clears. Chatterjee looking to check his man, but South St. Paul gets by. Centering pass kind of on the backhand of the South St. Paul player, not able to get anything on it. Henry sends it up along the wall. South St. Paul circling the net, poked away by Chatterjee. He changes direction, holds off his man, gives it to the half wall. That's Will Martin, and he sends it back to Chatterjee, who looks around. Back to Will. Will trying to clear. His pass picked off, though. And now Will back checking to hold off his man. And the loose puck picked up by Julian. He's trying to clear it as well, but that leads to a quick shot by South St. Paul. We finally clear the zone to about the red line. Nice pass drop from Julian, and that will do it for the first period. So uneventful from a scoring standpoint. South St. Paul spending a lot of time in the Scott zone, so they'll need to do a better job of breaking out and getting into the South St. Paul zone to create some offensive opportunities. Shots on goal, 4-2 in favor of the home side. Get an old classic from Def Leppard for the intermission, Rock of Ages. Can always go to the 80s for hockey rink anthems, in my humble opinion. Incidentally, South St. Paul with one of the great audio setups. Got a good system, and they've also got a guy who plays the organ here. He actually plays live organ, so I'm always impressed by that. Piece of trivia, the first cassette tape I ever owned was Def Leppard's Hysteria. This song actually even predates that record. Yeah, we're good. All right, back for the second frame. Brennan on the draw, and we come out with it. Picked up by Varun. And now the loose puck, picked up by Varun again. Varun going to jump up into the offense here. And quick wrister, that one stayed low, just went a little wide. Alex picks up the loose puck, and he's looking to gain the corner and center it, deflected. And Varun steps up, fires it back down behind the net. South St. Paul clears the zone, poked away by Varun twice, and now it's picked up by Brennan, who backtracks, sends it back behind the net to Chatterjee. And his pass picked up by South St. Paul. They send it in from above the blue line on target. And the puck is at the half wall and sent out, glove down by South St. Paul. Alex battling for it. South St. Paul gains the zone. Picked up by Chatterjee, loses his balance initially, sends his pass right into the zebra. And now it's tied up in the corner. Loose. Varun trying to get it back to Chatterjee. And Chatterjee still on it. Brennan loses his stick. Kale out there, though, to pressure. Puck at the point. Wrister comes in. That one well wide. And Chatterjee checks his man. Puck comes loose to Brennan. And ref's going to call icing, but South St. Paul comes out to play it instead. And Felix picks it up from our zone, throws it ahead. This one will be icing. South St. Paul wins the face-off. And Felix pressuring in the corner. South St. Paul sends it around. Kale picks it up. It's deflected off of a South St. Paul stick. Now Jameson getting ahead to pressure it. And this will be icing on South St. Paul, so we will head down to their zone for a face-off. Jacob Pozega on the draw. Jameson has it, centers. Picked up by South St. Paul in the slot. And centered again. And now South St. Paul clears, skates through neutral ice. Poked away by Felix, and that will force South St. Paul offsides. Henrik on the draw. Wins it. Drops it back for Felix. And shot comes in from Henrik at the right, from the right dot. Frozen by South St. Paul. And we'll have a face-off on the far side in the South St. Paul zone. Henrik on the draw. Stokes picks it up, sends it back down. It's just behind the net. And South St. Paul picks it up. Varun holds. And clearing attempt bounces off a South St. Paul player who then gathers it. He gets it ahead, and now it's out to Soren. Soren pushes it forward to Henrik. Henrik with a drop pass to Chatterjee, who goes right back to him. And now South St. Paul sends it back just as far as Chatterjee. He'll fire it in. It goes off of a skate. Soren with that was Keenan rather, with a chance at the doorsteps. Keenan centers it. Chance for Will. He fans on it, though, under some pressure from South St. Paul, and they do clear the zone. Ahead from Varun to Keenan. Keenan holds off some pressure and just runs into 3 players who tie him up. Puck is loose. Chatterjee's going to pick it up and go for it, and that is deflected off a stick and into the netting. Okay, the organ that you're hearing in this case is not live. The organ's out there, but he's not playing that one live. Anyway, South St. Paul wins the faceoff. And they push it ahead. Felix looking to poke it out, but doesn't get quite enough on it, and South St. Paul sends it down into our zone. Puck is loose behind the net, picked up by Felix. He absorbs a check, gets it ahead to Keenan. Keenan eludes one, and now he does poke it out of the zone. Ref misses it. The puck did exit the zone, and so they were offside, but now we get it loose, or clear, I should say. Julian in pursuit. South St. Paul sends it behind their own net, and they're skating through neutral ice. And good last-minute intervention there from Henry, who gets enough on it with his stick to send that shot into the netting. Brennan steps out to the dot, and he drops it for Varun. Varun sends it along the end wall up to Isaac. Squirts past Isaac. South St. Paul picks up the loose puck. And Isaac still battling to get it into the zone. Picked up by Varun. Varun flips it into the zone softly. South St. Paul picks it up. Now they're into our zone. Quick shot comes in, and rebound attempt. That one, South St. Paul just fanned on that one. Puck at the half wall, down into the corner. Centering pass picked off by Brennan. And now South St. Paul with it again. They send it back down behind our net. Good centering pass, and Billy does well after the initial attempt was essentially skated over, but then we get a shot coming in from the slot. So Billy saves that one. Be his 7th save of the evening. No score. 9:30 to go in the second period. Jacob ties up his man. Jamison gets it, pushes it back to the center where it's picked off by South St. Paul. Now they have it again, and we tie them up and skate out of the zone. That's Jacob with the puck. Jacob going for a quick shot there from above the circle and deflected. Jamison now looking to get a hold of it in the corner. A couple South St. Paul players over there contesting it. And Jamison's still working, but comes out to Chatterjee. Chatterjee sends in a wrister. There was a juicy rebound. He didn't quite get to it on time. Now Kale whirls and fires. That one goes off the side of the net. And South St. Paul goes D to D behind their net. They're kind of tied up at the half wall. They do finally clear the zone, but Kale's going to jump right back in, and he throws in a wrister from the blue line, which South St. Paul forced to cover that one. So a couple shots on net on that shift. Henrik out to take the draw, joined by Evan Stokes to his left, Soren Kreitziger to his right, and we win it. Felix sends in a wrister. That one goes wide, and South St. Paul going to skate it out of the zone. Felix stands up his man, though, and Evan picks it up and throws it back down into the net and will chase. Henrik headed down to the corner and makes the South St. Paul player lose his stick. Felix holds the zone, a little tight on that one. Soren picks up the loose puck, Sends it back down low. And Felix attempting to hold. Puck squirts past him. Rolling on its end. It's going to get all the way down. And centering attempt goes behind the net. And now the loose puck picked up by Henry. Gets it to the corner. That's Henrik. He gets it ahead to Soren, who's tied up by a couple of players. And now Henrik with it. Eludes his man. Puck poked away. Ends up on Felix's stick. Felix gets through one, and Felix taking his chances out there from above the blue line. Netminder a little far out, kind of almost outside of his crease, and Felix had a chance to put it over his shoulder, I think he thought, so he went for it and forced a save. Julian comes out to take the draw on the near side in the South St. Paul zone. Got Will Martin on his left. And South St. Paul wins this one. They send it down and around to the half wall. Now they clear the zone. And there is our zone tied up, though. Varun with some good defensive work there to drop his man. Centering pass and a quick shot. That one goes wide. Fortunately, it was a decent angle. Rebound, but we clog the slot. Now it's at the point. They're going to launch it in, and we clear the rebound. This should be icing. Yes. Somebody really digging in the crates here to get this Rage Against the Machine tune going. Brennan wins the face-off. We send it all the way around, and South St. Paul sends it right back at us. Chatterjee gets it to the half wall. That's Alex Kishel picking it up and sends it out to Brennan, who gets dumped by South St. Paul man. They flip it up. It's glove down and hits Chatterjee, who then smashes it against the sidewall to clear the zone. Kishel looking to pick up that loose puck. Now Brennan trying to hold it. Glove down by South St. Paul. They skate into our zone and drop. That one had some heat. Wrister from above the circle. Rebound goes straight up into the air. And South St. Paul sends it down into the opposite corner. Puck at the point. Sent in. That's danger. Billy does really well. Makes a couple of saves. I think 3 actually in that sequence. The initial shot and then a couple of rebounds. She does well to slide over and seal the short side. Chatterjee sends it along the plexiglass to clear. That one's on target, so South St. Paul going to have to play it. And they get it ahead, tip it into the zone. Varun goes against the half wall. Puck down into the corner. Jacob overskates it a bit, and Chatterjee gets it ahead to Jamison. Jamison, good breakout pass to Kale. Kale looking for a streaking Jamison, who hits a one-timer with his backhand. Nice setup from those two. Jacob with it in the corner. South St. Paul looking to clear. They do. It finds Henry's stick. He sends it right back down, and Kale dumps it down into the corner. Puck out to the point. South St. Paul picks it up and nearly misplays it into their own net. And now the puck is poked out of the zone. South St. Paul looking to push it into our zone. And tied up at the end wall. Dislodge it. Henry sends it around to the corner. South St. Paul right back at us. Kale picks it up at the half wall. Eludes one guy, but South St. Paul dumps it back into the zone. And good stick work there from Jacob. Gets it free. And his pass goes off of a stick, and they're going to call offside. That little deflection, I think, might have thrown Kale's timing off just a bit as he entered the zone to receive the pass. 4:14 to go. Still no score. 11-7 is your shots on goal tally. 11-7 in favor of the Packers. South St. Paul with the puck at the blue line. They send it against the sidewall. And now picked up by Henrik. Henrik with a little pass ahead to Evan Stokes. He gets into the zone, sends it back behind the net. Soren trying to track it down in the corner. And loose puck. Henrik sends it back down to the corner. South St. Paul comes up with it, sends it back around their own net. And now Henrik battling at the half wall. He's joined by Evan Stokes, who gets it to... Got it to Henrik, who then got it to Soren. He got a shot off. He was kind of tied up, so didn't get a lot on it, but does force a save. So we'll have a face-off. Far side in the South St. Paul zone. Julian on the draw. He wins it. And Varun with a slapper. That one goes wide. Chatterjee picks it up. He's going to walk in and look for a shot. That's deflected. Good centering pass from Will Martin. Nobody home, though. Varun sends it back down. Will's going to go try to track it down in the corner. Now he's joined by Julian. And Will and Julian trying to tie up their man. We do win it back here. Chatterjee with a wrister. That one's tipped in. What a tip. Absolute beauty from Kanan. Chatterjee puts it practically right on his tape, about a foot off the ground, and Kanan just redirected that thing right into the net. Made no mistake on the tip. Beautiful setup from those two. So that goal coming with 3:01 remaining. And now we get a tripping call on the Packers with 2:47 to go. Still waiting for the call, the official call, but I think it's going to go down as Nonemacher, the younger. So it's Nonemacher, the younger, from Chatterjee at 11:59. Face-off coming, Jacob to take. He gets it over to Jamison. And slapper, Felix looking to hit the clap bomb. Sends it right into the backside of Jacob. And Jacob sends it down low. South St. Paul whips it out, and that one skips over Felix's stick, so no icing. Billy out to play it. He leaves it for Felix. Eludes the first man. Felix looking cross ice and hits it off of Jacob's shin pad to Kale. Kale tied up, though, at the point. And South St. Paul skating in, looking to wrap it around. Now they change direction under pressure from Jacob and Henry, who comes out with it. Henry ahead to Jacob. He pokes it forward to Nonemacher, the elder. And Jamison circling the net, thinking about wrapping it, but no dice there. Jamison's still on it, trying to leave it for Chatterjee. Chatterjee throws it in, deflected. Jamison knocks it down, and he goes for it. Good shot there from between the blue line and the circle, forces a blocker save. Now South St. Paul clears as far as Chatterjee. Slows things down. And he sends in a wrister, and I think we're offside. We are, indeed. Shot was blocked in any event. Brennan at the dot just outside of the South St. Paul zone. Packers win it and send it deep. No idea why that wasn't icing. Brennan with the puck at the half wall. Sends it back for Chatterjee. Chatterjee changes direction, and that'll do it. South St. Paul kills off the penalty. Chatterjee's still with it, and he goes cross ice. Varun picks it up and sends it forward. And knocked out of the air by Brennan, but South St. Paul picks it up and they bury it. So South St. Paul just wires in a wrister from above the circle, finds the bottom corner. It's a good shot, and that one ties the score with 22.5 to go in the first period, or second period, sorry. We win the faceoff. So score tied up at 14:38 of the second. Teams are even on shots, 11-11, and even in the score at 1-1. So all to play for in the final frame, which will be coming at you in just a minute here. Just kidding. The Zamboni will be out. I always forget about that. Be back in about 12-ish minutes.
I go out of it.
Might pick up.
I'll just leave this so that it's closed.
Okay. All right, we're getting back underway here in just a moment. 15 minutes to play. Team's tied at 1, and I stand corrected, and 12 shots on goal now for each team is the official tally. Soren Kreitziger out to take the face-off. He wins it, pops it back to Chatterjee. Chatterjee still with it and eludes a couple of South St. Paul defenders. That's ahead to Evan Ship. And Finn Warner in pursuit as well. Ship picks it up. Ship weaving through traffic. He sends in a heater. That one hits the South St. Paul netminder in the helmet. And he does cover it after it drops right in front of him. Soren on the draw. Ties up his man, and Warner comes out with it. Gets it to Ship. And now it's cleared by South St. Paul. Chatterjee sends it in deep. We tag up and chase. Ship battling for it on this at the circle, and now it's pushed ahead. Looks like penalty coming. Yeah, penalty coming on the Scots. Get a cross check. Soren headed to the box for a cross check. I did not see that. Looks like he got dropped, if anything, but I think he's going to want his money back on that penalty. If he indeed delivered a cross check, I don't think there was much on it. So that penalty comes at 49 seconds of the third period. And South St. Paul goes on the power play. Kind of a long, pregnant pause there from the rink announcer, trying to figure out how to pronounce my last name. It was a valiant attempt, even if not successful ultimately. Scott's doing a good job so far on the kill, and they send it down long. South St. Paul forced to regroup. And they send it ahead through neutral ice. Now they gain the zone. Quick shot from the wrist. Henry might have gotten a piece of that. It goes wide. And puck is bouncing, sent back behind the net. Now drop to the point. I think it's going to get out of the zone. It does. And now Show is going to keep that penalty streak alive. Go join his buddy Soren in the box. It'll be 5-on-3 for 104. Scots making it hard on themselves here to start things off in the third period. Henrik on the draw. South St. Paul wins it, and they score. So South St. Paul takes the lead on a power play goal, that coming at 1:53 of the third period. So that'll cancel out Soren's penalty. Felix remains in the box for just about 2 minutes, 1:53 to be exact. So South St. Paul will be looking, of course, to add to that cushion. South St. Paul getting excited now. The organ man's out to play. And Julian getting into it after the play is whistled dead. And it looks like the refs will just separate. Nope. Packers will be going for a penalty. Nope, it's going to be coincidental minors. Was hoping Julian wouldn't get booked, but both players head to the box. And we will stay 5-on-4 for another 120. Face off on the far side in the South St. Paul zone. Brendan on the draw. South St. Paul comes out with it. They skate through neutral ice, change direction, and head back. And still looking to set things up. They drop. So both players booked for roughing at 2:26 of the third. And about 56 seconds to go now on the South St. Paul power play. We win it. Winkleman sends it off and unfortunately hits a South St. Paul player square in the helmet. He's down. Quinn really put some heat on that thing. So South St. Paul player up, but I imagine he'll come out for a while after absorbing that hit. Or that puck, I should say. So he skates off on his own power. Not sure if it was it looked like it hit his helmet, but Quinn had put a lot of heat on that clearance attempt. South St. Paul with the puck in the corner. Sent around along the end wall. And Ship with the pressure. Gets it ahead to Finn Warner. South St. Paul eventually dispossesses us, sends it back into our zone. And Winkleman ties up his man in the corner. Chatterjee across. Gets it through one man and pushes it ahead to Finn. Finn sends it all the way down. Icing waved off. And Ship with the pressure. Poked away. Clearance attempt poked away by Warner. Wrister from Ship. Sticked aside. And we finally kill off the second of those two penalties. And puck sent down deep. Soren's going to chase that one. And we got a chance there. Kale comes flying in and blasts a shot from the high slot. And it is saved and sent into the netting by the netminder. .10:49 to go in this one, 2-1 in favor of the home team. Henrik is out to take the draw. South St. Paul gets it back to the corner, and now it's right behind the net. South St. Paul sends it ahead. It's in a skate, picked up by a different player. Puck bounces off of Felix's stick and is picked up by Henrik behind the net. He pushes it forward to Kale at the half wall. Now Henrik with it again. Sends it ahead. Looked like it might have been a trip, but no call. Jamison trying to get through traffic. Henrik picks it up, and centering pass redirected by Jamison, but into the skates of a South St. Paul player, and South St. Paul clears. Felix trying to contain his man and does. South St. Paul dumps it around the back of the net and pushed ahead by Varun. Now Kale pushes it forward to Jamison, who leaves it for Kale. Jamison looking to get forward, tied up by a couple of players. And South St. Paul sends it back down to the point. And puck gets through Varun. South St. Paul skates it into our zone. Chatterjee ties up his man. Varun picks it up and rims it along the sidewall where Jamison pokes it forward out of the zone, and South St. Paul just forced to dump and change. Chatterjee comes up with it ahead to Stokes, who sends it down. Left behind by the South St. Paul netminder. Stokes in pursuit. And Stokes gets a piece of that thing, and Chatterjee steps up into the play to send it back down low. Kanan now, and he circulates it forward. Stokes chasing it, and South St. Paul clears it. Chatterjee picks it up. We need to tag up after he sends it back into the zone. And South St. Paul through neutral ice. Deflected by Chatterjee. Loose puck picked up by Kanan. Kanan's got 3 players to get through, and he sends it back down to the corner. Takes a big hit from South St. Paul's player, and Soren gets dumped on the other side. And South St. Paul forced to ice it. So the faceoff will come on the far side in the South St. Paul zone. That's Julian out to take the faceoff. And both him and Will get kind of tied up, and South St. Paul does finally clear the zone. Julian's going to get hit with a tripping call, it looks like. And puck is pinned in the corner. Delayed penalty coming. Puck sent in from the point. Tied up by Henry, who gets it aside. And now the penalty call will come as Felix picks it up in the corner. Julian heads to the box for tripping. Looks like he got his stick tangled up as he went down in the skates of a South St. Paul player. Both teams still with even on shots with 15, 2-1 though in favor of the Packers, who gain the advantage here off the various penalties. And that picked up by Ship, who gets it ahead into the South St. Paul zone. Puck still loose, and pretty sure that's a hat trick. So that's a hat trick for Bubba Diaz, who is apparently a rather large 9th grader for South St. Paul. He's got all 3 goals. Two power play goals for him, 1 even strength. And that will make it 3-1. That goal coming at 7:29 expands the lead to 2 for South St. Paul. Soren on the draw, and he comes up with it, pushes it into the corner. South St. Paul with the puck behind the net, and Soren redirects it out and flips it against the plexiglass up ahead, and we're going to get icing. Puck was in the air and just kind of went over Ship. And we win the faceoff. Kale flips it ahead. He's going to chase it down into the corner. Good centering pass. That one deflected, unfortunately, though. Henrik and Jamison both looking to crash the net. And clearing attempt gets to Quinn. Quinn sends in a wrister. That one dealt with. Face-off will come on the far side in the South St. Paul zone. Henrik will take this face-off. And Henrik ties up his man. Jamison pokes it down low. South St. Paul with the puck, though. They rim it around, and that's Quinn jumping up into the play to hold the zone. Henrik gets it through the wickets of a South St. Paul player, but another one picks it up. Skates it out and flips it down into our zone where Quinn picks it up, goes D to D to Chatterjee. Chatterjee with a little spin move and picked up by Jamison, who drops it for Chatterjee. Chatterjee going to jump into the attack now, and he sends it down around the end wall. Kale leaves it for Quinn. Quinn fans on the shot attempt. Now South St. Paul with a chance, and good save there from Billy. Gets that one up and over. I think it went into the netting. And we'll have a face-off in the Scott zone. 5:56 in this contest. Scots need to amp up the pressure here if they're going to catch up. Down 2 goals. Julian Loreen on the draw. South St. Paul with it. They fire in a centering pass, and it's flipped out by Keenan. Felix in pursuit. Stokes with it at the half wall. Tries to clear. Wrister comes in from the point. And shot South St. Paul whirled and fired from close range. And now they capitalize on the rebound. So that'll make it 4-1. Likely out of reach now for the Scots. That goal coming at 9:28 of the third period. So the wheels coming off. Scots will need a major push in the last 5.5 minutes if they're going to make the scoreline a bit more respectable. So South St. Paul gets a second goal scorer for the evening. And we get Mr. Roboto by Sticks. I might be too young for this song, but older siblings probably remember it. Faceoff comes out to Finn Warner. His clearance attempt drops to the point where South St. Paul sends it in. Bouncing puck is gathered and cleared, and icing waved off. One ref about to throw his arm up and told not to by his partner. And this should be icing on South St. Paul, and it will be. So we'll get a chance to restart things in the South St. Paul zone on the far side of the rink. Soren on the draw, ties up his man. We come out with it. Finn drops it for Quinn, and Quinn with a shot from the blue line. That one's gloved by the South St. Paul netminder. Soren on the draw and ties up his man. Same result. Finn comes up with it. This time he sends it down low. Soren's going to go into the corner and chase. Pokes it back to Ship. And Soren in pursuit now. And South St. Paul player blows a tire. Don't think Soren was expecting that. And they just get it past Quinn and Ship. And that shot is deflected aside by Chatterjee. It goes wide. South St. Paul fires it in from the blue line. That thing had some heat, but fortunately went high and wide. Ship's going to get past his man here and get down first. He's got Warner coming, and he eludes a man. That's a good-looking centering pass, but just went in the opposite direction of Ship. We send it back down into the zone. South St. Paul with it, changes direction behind the net. Warner in pursuit, and poked ahead by Kale. Really nice work there, stick work from Kale. Kale looking to center, changes his mind, and shot deflected up into the netting. 22-17 shots on goal. 4-1 is your score line. 3:28 to go in this contest. Henrik out to take the draw. He's Kale to his right. And South St. Paul sends a bouncing puck out. That one's sent back in by Felix. And South St. Paul picks it up and gets into our zone. They send it back down behind the net. Henry sends it forward to Kale. Rister, that's Bubba Diaz. He sends it high and wide, fortunately for us. And icing waved off, so we'll have to chase it down and dig it out. Henry in pursuit. Centering pass, that one tied up by Felix in the slot. And South St. Paul going to shoot from the point. Goes off of a South St. Paul player. And South St. Paul sends in a shot from a tight angle. That one covered by Billy. Julian out to take the face-off. He drops it for Varun, who's pressured, and puck goes behind the net. Kishel sends it out. That's Stokes holding off some pressure. Loose puck eventually picked up by South St. Paul. Back to Kishel. He sends it to the half wall. Squirts past Stokes, but he does enough to tie up his man. Julian picks up the loose puck. He gets off a quick shot, rebounding attempt, and that is buried. Keenan with his second of the evening. He picks up the rebound off of Julian's shot from the slot and makes no mistake. Puts it into the net. Short side. So now things looking a little bit more interesting again. 4-2 in favor of South St. Paul. 2:17 remaining in this contest. So Keenan's second of the night. Come at 12:43 of the third. Keenan picks it up off the face-off, sends it deep, and Julian very nearly pressures his man into a mistake. Keenan just flies by. So they're also giving Stokes an assist on that one. So I think it's probably Stokes and Loreen on the assists, and then Nonemacher, the younger, with his second goal of the evening. Puck is tied up at the half wall, and we do poke it out of the zone. And sent in deep. And Billy heads off. We're going to need to pick up that puck real fast because our net is empty. And looks like we're going to get a penalty coming. Too many men on the ice. So bench minor, I believe. Finn over to serve it, and Quinn sends it into the stands just below me. And the Zebras gather a new puck. 1:07 to go. We'll spend the rest of the game shorthanded now. Soren on the draw. And South St. Paul scores its third power play goal of the game. That is the difference. It's now 5-2 with 50.1 seconds to go. This one out of reach now for the Scots. Surrendered 3 power play goals today. Soren on the draw. Ship comes out with it. Not much time now. Ship looking to center, loses the handle, and gets tied up in the corner.
Scoring for South St. Paul at 14:10 in the third period. Number 27, Braden Depke. Unassisted goal. Depke all by himself on the power play at 14:10.
Soren goes behind the net with the puck, surveys the scene. I believe he takes a little too long with it. And we do eventually get it out with some interchange there from Ship and Henry. Henry gets it forward to Finn. Finn's wrister goes high and wide, and Ship and Soren over to pin their man against the boards, and that'll do it. So 5-2 your final. Scots outshot 24-19 by South St. Paul, but more importantly, surrendered 3 penalty power play goals. Lots of penalties in the third period, and that proves to be the difference. That'll do it for tonight. We'll see you again on Thursday evening for a home matchup. And Thursday's game against Southwest Christian, one of our conference